Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to turn your home into a science lab? Today we're showing you 3 super cool experiments you can do in just minutes. Stick around and discover how to wow your friends with science. Alright, science crew, let's kick things off with a bang. We're going to create a miniature volcano right here in our lab. Well, maybe your kitchen. First things first, gather your safety goggles. Safety always comes first. Now let's round up the suspects. Baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, food coloring, and a container. Don't worry, these ingredients are probably hanging out in your kitchen cabinets right now. Step 1, transform that ordinary container into a volcano. You can use modeling clay, Play-Doh, or even just build a cone shape around it with some dirt from outside. Now, for the scientific magic, add a heaping spoonful of baking soda to your volcano's crater. A dash of food coloring will give it that fiery lava look. Red and orange are classic choices. And for the final touch, a squirt of dish soap. This will make our eruption extra bubbly. Are you ready for the grand finale? Carefully pour in some vinegar, and watch your volcano come to life. Whoa, see that eruption? That's the power of science. But why does this happen? Well, baking soda is a base, and vinegar is an acid. When they mix, they react and create carbon dioxide gas. That's all those bubbles you see. Next up, get ready to be amazed by the power of surface tension. No, it's not a superhero, but it's just as cool. For this experiment we need milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a plate. Don't worry, no drinking the milk this time. Pour your milk onto the plate, making sure it covers the bottom. Now grab your food coloring and let's add some pizzazz. Add a few drops of different colors to the milk. The more colors, the merrier. Now remember that dish soap from the volcano experiment? We need it again. Dip a cotton swab into the dish soap, just a little dab will do. Now gently touch the tip of the cotton swab to the surface of the milk. Keep your eyes peeled. Boom! Did you see that? The colors are dancing. It's like a tie-dye party in your plate. What's going on here? Well, milk is mostly water, but it also contains fats and proteins. Dish soap is designed to break down fat. So, when you add the soap to the milk, it races around trying to break down the fat molecules. This creates movement and carries the food coloring along for the ride. Chapter 3, Glowing Lava Lamp. For our final act, we're going to create a mesmerizing lava lamp that will light up your room. Don't worry, no electricity required, just pure science. Gather a clear bottle, water, oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. First, fill your bottle about halfway with water. Now slowly pour in the oil until the bottle is almost full. Notice how the oil floats on top of the water? That's because oil is less dense than water, it's lighter. Now let's add some color. Choose your favorite food coloring and add a few drops to the bottle. You can even mix and match colors for a groovy effect. The food coloring will sink through the oil and mix with the water at the bottom. Now comes the exciting part. Break an Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few pieces and drop them into the bottle one at a time. Get ready for the show. Whoa, look at the bubbles, it's like a mini lava lamp. Here's the science behind the magic. Alka-Seltzer tablets contain citric acid and baking soda. When they hit the water, they react and produce carbon dioxide gas. Remember those bubbles from the volcano? The gas bubbles rise to the top, carrying blobs of colored water with them. When the bubbles reach the surface, they pop, and the colored water sinks back down, creating that awesome lava lamp effect. Well, science fans, we've reached the end of our science-packed adventure. I hope you had a blast trying out these awesome experiments. Remember, science is everywhere, and it's always an adventure. Now it's time to put on your thinking caps and explore the world with a scientific eye. Which experiment was your favorite? Drop a comment and tell us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Science Through Time, and click the bell for more fun science content every week. Keep those thinking caps on, and I'll see you next time for more science. Hey there, science fans. Are you ready to turn your home